How to make money on YouTube. A lot of people want to know how to make money on YouTube. A lot of people not sure of all the ways to make money on YouTube. There's a couple obvious ways. There's a couple not so obvious ways. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down 4 ways to make money on YouTube. And I know a lot of y'all probably didn't know that was more than one way to make money on YouTube. So this is going to be a fire video. So make sure y'all stay locked in. Make sure y'all take notes of every single way to make money. Even when you're not monetized, we're going to get into the 4 ways on how to make money on YouTube. What's good? It's time to ride with TR Mentality. And before we get into the video, make sure y'all own your own shit. Now the first way to make money on YouTube, and this is the most known way that everybody knows, and this is probably the reason why a lot of people get into YouTube in the first place, and that's Google AdSense. Now Google AdSense is the money that you make from YouTube running ads on your videos. Whenever you see a video play on somebody's video, that creator is getting paid for that ad to be ran. And when you watch that ad, that's how every creator is getting paid. Now, we all know if you're a new creator or you fairly new on YouTube, you know that you don't just get monetized right away. You can't just start getting ads on your videos right away. As soon as you start your YouTube channel, you know that there's a couple steps that you got to take and a couple milestones that you got to hit in order to go ahead and get monetized and start getting this money from ads. And that's the YouTube Partnership Program, or YPP. In order to become a YouTube partner, you have to get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, no copyright strikes, no community guideline strikes, and turn 2-step verification on your YouTube account. Now obviously the standout milestones is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and I know that when you first starting off, that's very intimidating. You think, damn, this is going to take forever, but I could actually say that the 1,000 subscribers is not going to be that hard, but the 4,000 watch hours, it depends on what you focus on as a creator. If you focus on posting YouTube shorts, which will help you gain subscribers and get a lot of traffic drawn to your channel, because YouTube is pushing them right now. I always talk about them and how they so important to every channel right now that want to grow. The watch hours that you get from YouTube shorts right now that's viewed from the shorts feed, they don't count to become eligible for the YouTube partner program, and it's going to set you back if you focus on posting YouTube shorts. But if your channel that focus on posting YouTube long form videos, reaching this 4,000 watch hour milestone is not going to be as hard as it seems, because as you continue to put that content out, even if you get 100 views over time, it's going to add up. If you're consistent with your long form videos and you can go ahead and knock out those 4,000 watch hours very fast, then you'll be able to apply for the YouTube partner program, and when you get approved, you'll go ahead and start seeing ads on your videos, and you're going to start getting paid for those ads played on your video. The second way to make money on YouTube is affiliate marketing. Now this is a way to make money that I feel like a lot of creators don't even pay attention to and they don't understand. The biggest reason why I love this method so much is because you don't even have to be monetized on YouTube. You can literally start doing this from day one, and you can do this in your YouTube shorts, you can do this in your YouTube long form videos, you can do this anywhere on YouTube, and you can go ahead and get paid from these affiliate programs from other companies. Basically what affiliate marketing is when a company has a product or a service, you can go ahead and join an affiliate program for that company, and you actually use that product or service and you believe in it and it's very helpful to you. You can actually join that company's affiliate program. They will give you an affiliate link. You go ahead and talk about that product or service in your videos, and then you put that affiliate link in the description and you tell people to go ahead and click that link if they're interested in that product or service. One of the biggest services that I talk about is TubeBuddy, and it's how you can grow your YouTube channel faster than everybody else. They give you the best tags for your videos, the best video titles, all the best practices to go ahead and get the most views on all your videos, and it's going to help you grow your channel faster than everybody starting a channel right now. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go ahead and click the link down below to download the tool called TubeBuddy. It's completely free, and it's going to help you grow your channel faster than everybody starting a channel right now. Now the third way to make money on YouTube is sponsorship. Now just like affiliate marketing, you're dealing with another company. This is just different in the way that you're actually directly communicating with somebody from that company, and they might send you a product and then you can review that product or you can talk about it on your channel, but you will have an agreement set out with this company that you can talk about this product or service whatever amount of times in whatever amount of videos, and they will pay you for that. Typically with sponsorships, it's going to be a bigger payout than with affiliate programs, and it might not be a recurring payment like it is with affiliate programs, because like I talked to y'all about with TubeBuddy, every time somebody signs up using my link and they continue to pay and stay with that company for every month, I get paid out a certain percentage every single month that that person is signed up with TubeBuddy. But with sponsorships, it could be a one-off, and then you don't ever see any residual income or any passive income from that. It's just literally a one-time payout. But one of the biggest things I talk about with sponsorships is that you want to make sure that you believe in this company. You want to make sure that whatever company that you're sharing, just like with affiliate links as well, you want to make sure that it's actually a product or service that you actually believe in, and you don't mind sharing it with your audience, and you won't seem fake as hell if they actually go ahead and start using that product if it's trash. So you definitely want to be smart, and you want to be picky with which companies you go ahead and take these sponsorship deals with. It could be very lucrative over time as you continue to take in these sponsorship deals. And once again, you don't have to be monetized with YouTube to actually go ahead and start doing this. Now, the fourth way to make money on YouTube, which is my favorite way, like I spoke on in the beginning of the video, is digital products. Now, I talk about digital products a lot because it's one of my favorite ways to make money, period. Now, a digital product, it could be ebooks, it could be courses, just teaching knowledge that you have about any subject. It could be about any industry, it could be about anything. It could be about YouTube, it could be about music, it could be anything that you want to go ahead and talk about and teach people, something that provides value to them that they actually want to buy. Because I talk about it all the time with courses. Of course, you can always get information for free and you can learn a lot, but the biggest thing is that it takes long, because you might learn a little piece about a certain subject from here, and then what you learn from here, you got to end up looking over here to get the next piece of information, and you continue to bounce around trying to find information is from different people, so it's harder to learn that way. So one of the best things about courses is that it's consolidated information and everything is in this one place, and people will pay for that because it's extreme value. And if they already took value from you for free, they'll definitely get the paid content, because now they know that they're gonna get all that information in one place and they don't have to keep bouncing around and all that trying to get more knowledge about that certain subject. Now, the reason why this is my favorite way to make money on YouTube is because with digital products, there's no overhead. Unless you run an ads to go ahead and market your products, there's really no overheads because it don't break. It just takes time to go ahead and put the product together, film all the videos if it's a video course, if it's an ebook, to actually write out the ebook. But once you make it, it's good forever. It don't break. You don't have to restock. You don't have to deal with shipping. You don't have to deal with any of that. Once somebody buys it off your website, they have it forever, and you don't have to hear about it ever again. You don't have to be on your website to go ahead and make the sale. You don't have to do any of that. You can make content and literally be sitting in your bed. You can wake up in the morning, have more sales, and you don't have to think about it at all. This is one of the most passive ways to make money on YouTube. One of the best ways to make money on YouTube, in my opinion. But that is the 4 ways to make money on YouTube. I gave y'all 3 ways that y'all can go ahead and make money without even being monetized through the YouTube Partner Program. And I'm telling you, if you follow these steps, you will be making money on YouTube before you start getting monetized, and after you start getting monetized, you're going to just increase your income even more at that point. But with that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. If you got any questions, make sure you go ahead and comment down below. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to y'all. If you rock with the video, make sure you go ahead and hit like, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and I'm out of here, man.
I'm about to slide another bottle. Bad bitch, give me top full throttle. Seen her first love, go from 7 to a model. I've been chilling rooftop, sipping Henny and Moscato. I've been rolled off, they see me doing numbers. I've been showing off, running figures while they doing plumbing. Know they praying that the sales plummet. What's a man with no plan? I've been doing my dance, no advance.